Is your Ford Fiesta key fob not working? Let's diagnose. First, the most common issue is a dead battery. The Fiesta key fob typically uses a CR232 battery costing around $5–10. Replace it, ensuring correct polarity. If that doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned or reprogrammed to the car. This happens if the fob loses sync. To relearn, try cycling the ignition or using the vehicle's keypad following your specific Fiesta model's procedure. Check your owner's manual or Ford's website for model-specific instructions. Remember, some models require multiple fobs to be present during the relearn process. If battery replacement and relearning the key fob fail, the problem might be with the receiver module in your Ford Fiesta. This module handles communication between the key fob and the vehicle. Symptoms include all key fobs failing simultaneously or the car not responding to any fob commands. To diagnose, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes related to the PAT system, such as B1A0. Receiver module replacement can cost between $200 and $500, including parts and labor. Technology is evolving. Newer Ford Fiestas from 2020 onwards support Ford Pass app-based key sharing and rechargeable key fobs with inductive charging to eliminate battery issues. If problems persist, especially with receiver issues, consult a certified mechanic to avoid potential warranty complications.